I will come first.
Children, come here. Can anyone out of all of you kids make this line shorter without erasing it? Come on then, let me tell you a story. Addy and his friends were playing in the Woodworld jungle.
Let us all play together and be the winners forever. Go swing your bat, then make a catch. Don't be sad if you miss. And always remember this. Let it fly, you reach the sky. Make yourself leap up high. Let's play this game together and be the winners forever.
Even I want to play this game with you.
But we are professional players in this game.
Since when did this game of sticks become a professional game?
From the time we have started playing this game.
Okay then, I will learn how to play this game professionally from you guys. Shall I play with you? Let's play!
Gorgie, Bantu took Addy out in the first shot.
Yes, AJ.
Why did you hit on my hand?
I did not hit your hand. Your hand came in the way. You don't know how to play. Come on, it's my turn now.
Oof.
See? How I made him lose.
No one can beat us in this game of sticks.
Be quiet, all of you. Addy, what were you trying to do? By making Bantu feel small, you think you became big? Bantu was playing better than you. Just because you could not be better than him, you hit him on his hand with a stick and got him hurt? Addy, you cannot become big by making others feel small. If you want to win against Bantu, then play better than him and play fair game. That is how you will become big.
Humpy, you are right. I should not have behaved like this with Bantu. Sorry, Bantu. You are a better player than me. I will try to become better at the game and not make other people small at it. Today you have won and I have lost.
If someone is doing better than you, then don't try to pull them down. Instead, work harder on yourself. That means encourage them and support them so you can move ahead too. Your victory should be claimed by yourself and your own hard work. Challenge your own potential and each and every time better it. You will realize you have drawn a line which is longer than anyone else. Understood, kids?
I understood, Granny. Sorry, Ria. I spoiled your painting.
No problem, Rohan. Let's make a better and beautiful painting together.
Ria, please put this thread in the needle.
I cannot do this. I give up.
Granny, please do this yourself. I'm not able to do it.
Children, everyone, please come here. We should not give up on any kind of work until we try our best to finish it. We should face every challenge and not give up on it until we have overcome it. One day, AJ and his friends got into a problem while playing in the Woodworld jungle.
Let's get a bit stronger. We can't wait any longer. Let's get a bit stronger. We can't wait any longer. Come, let's sing and shout. Show them what friendship is about. So let's celebrate together and stay happy forever. Let's get a bit stronger. We can't wait any longer. Let's get a bit stronger. We can't wait any longer.
What is this place?
Seems like a very deep well.
How do we get out of here?
We will have to get out, or else we will get stuck here.
Come on then, let us climb up. Makdu, what are you doing here?
Sir, it's you? Sir, I will help you to climb.
Makdu, you fell down because of me.
No, sir. This is not the first time I've fallen down. I'm here since the last 4 days. And in 4 days, I must have fallen down so many times. And every time I climb, I fall.
Makru, how did you fall down?
I was playing up in the hills and fell off. But how about you all?
We were playing too and fell.
But now how do we get out from here?
If Makdu has tried to climb up so many times and has failed, then how will we do this?
We'll do it. We will do it. I still have to try a million times more. One of the tries will definitely work. Friends, I will try million times more. Until I do not get out of here, I will not give up.
Makdu, now we will call you sir.
Yes, Makru. Today you have taught us a new lesson.
In life, one should never ever give up.
From now on, no matter what happens, we will never give up.
Master Makdu, you are the best ever.
Oh, not at all. There is nothing like that. Sir, one song please.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, Granny. If you try hard, you will always succeed.
That's right. What may happen, you won't succeed at once, but at the end of the day, you will achieve what you've set out for.
In India's history, there were many brave kings, out of which we got to know one of them. Today's class is over. Tomorrow we will study mathematics.
Today's class is over. Tomorrow we will study mathematics.
What will we study in maths?
What are you doing, kids? Instead of respecting your teachers, you are making fun of them. Children who do not respect their teacher never become successful in their lives. Come, let me tell you a story. AJ and his friends were appearing for an exam at school one day.
Okay, students, exam time is up. Please submit your copies fast.
Miss Foxy, are you alright? Miss Foxy!
Foxy, I had told you. You need rest. Take a day off from school.
Dr. Nansuk, I had informed you that student exams are going on, and at such times I cannot take a leave. These students need me the most during these days.
The fever seems very high. Understand, don't deny. Don't go to school, that's best. For few days, take some rest.
No way, I have to go. Exams are on, don't you know? I'm worried, my students need me. I have no time to spare, you'll see.
Won't you listen to me? An injection is necessary.
I need no injection now. We'll rest after exam somehow.
The fever seems very high. Understand, don't deny.
Fine, students. Don't worry about me. I cannot rest until your exams are over. Once your exams are over tomorrow, I will take few days off and rest at home. Black, White and Buntu, do not get late for the tuition today.
Do you all have any shame?
Miss Foxy is not well, and yet for the last 10 days she has been helping us with our exam preparation.
And you all make fun of her? Sorry, friends. I did not know that she is not keeping well.
Yes, we must respect our teachers just like our God.
Students who mock their teachers make a fool of themselves one day.
Sorry, friends. Henceforth, we will always respect our teachers.
Did you know, children? Teachers not only give their knowledge to their students but dedicate their lives for the well-being of their students also. That is why we must always honor and respect our teachers. Understood, kids?
Yes, Granny, we understood. From today, we will always respect our teachers.
Granny, look, what is Rohan doing there?
He is playing with those kids who always trouble and bully us.
Rohan, what were you doing with those kids? Those are the kids who keep on troubling your friends.
Granny, they gave me their tablet to play video games. I have been wanting to play this game for days.
Rohan, they gave you their video game so that you could leave your friends and join their group.
Rohan, good friends are always loyal and stay together. They never go against their friends. Come, I'll tell you a story. Humpy and his friends were once stuck in a situation like this.
Where is AJ?
AJ, since when did Black White become your friends?
Oh, just recently. In fact, Black White are taking me to a rock show.
Why are they taking you along?
For me to perform there. La 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 la. Black White have spoken about me. I'm going to perform at the rock show.
AJ, you know that Black White do not like us. This is definitely a plan.
Okay then, we will also come along with you.
You all cannot come with me. There are limited seats in the show.
If we don't go, then you too will not go.
Why wouldn't I go? I have got an opportunity with such great difficulty to perform at a rock show. I will definitely go.
How can AJ leave us behind and go with Black White?
This was fun. This was the first time I have performed in a rock show.
If you will stay with us, you will always enjoy like this.
This is just the beginning. You wait and watch. What will happen to you when you stay with us?
Black White, please help me. Black White.
White, let's go.
Black, help me, my friend.
Go, save your friend.
Please help me. Someone please help.
AJ, don't you worry. We will not let anything ever happen to you.
Nobody can save me now. I'm gonna die.
AJ, today we all five will go home back together or nobody will go.
He's a brother and a friend. This friendship will never end. We will break any line just to see
sorry, friends. Please forgive me. Only true friends come to save you when you are in need. I was not loyal to my own friends for a small pleasure.
Don't worry, AJ. Why don't you sing a song for us now?
It is very difficult to find good and real friends. And once you find them, you should never leave them. These are our 5 fingers. When they come together, they become a fist. And once it is a fist, you know the power it has.
Rohan, where are you going?
To return this video game.